Hello all, welcome to my channel. So today we will discuss on method overloading. So we all know Java is a object oriented programming language or OOPS. Okay, so what is this? Object oriented programming language means there are certain advantages available, okay, like polymorphism, encapsulation, abstraction, okay, inheritance. So in polymorphism there are two parts, overloading and overriding. So today we will discuss overloading, okay, and in overloading also different type of overloading are there, okay, like constructor overloading, method overloading, operator overloading. So today we will discuss method overloading. So before I'm going in detail, first let's understand what is polymorphism. Okay. So polymorphism means that is the same thing in different forms. If same thing is available in different forms, that time we'll call it polymorphism. Okay. That is the basic meaning of polymorphism. Now let's understand how we can get it in Java or any programming language. Okay, means object oriented programming language. So let's understand that. Okay, so I'm coming to the code. So first we have taken a class, public class, and the class name is method overloading. Okay, and we have taken one method, that is the return type is integer int, and we as a parameter we have taken two values, integer a and integer b, and we are returning summation of integer a and b. Fine. Now we have taken another method, okay, that is also return type integer, and here we are passing the argument of 3, like integer a, integer b, and integer c. And here the return is, we are returning summation of a plus b plus c. Okay, summation of 3 arguments. Fine. Now we have taken another method, that is void add, and here we have printing a message, that is this is void add method. So if you could see in these three method, what is common? The name is common. Here also it is add, here also it is add, and here also it is add. Okay, so the name is common, but the return type, if you could see, return type for these two are same, integer, and here it is void. And the parameter, okay, the argument, here it is 2 argument, here it is 3 argument integer, and here there is no argument. Fine. So now this is the main method, okay, public static void main. So now we are creating an object, okay. So these are the methods are in class level, okay. Instance method, these are in the class level. So to access this method, we need to create an object, right? I hope everyone is aware of this, okay, this concept. So for that, we need to creating the object A1 of the class method overloading, and this is the constructor, okay. So we are creating this reference variable A1, the object. Now what I am doing, I am printing this message, system, sum of two integer A1 dot add. Okay. If you give A1 after dot, whatever is available like add, and this add. Okay. First is the void return type, this one, then two integer, the first one, and then three integer, int A, B, C, right? These three we could see. So if you give a dot, you will get it. So first we are adding, means we are passing 5 and 7. So it will call this method, okay. If 3 are same, as per the return type, compiler will understand which method to invoke, because the name is same, right? Here also add, and here also add. So name is same. So how compiler will understand which method to call? By taking the argument value, okay, how many number of argument are passing in the method, on that it will understand which method to call, okay. Suppose here two integer value are passing, so obviously this method will be invoked, okay. Then if you see the second, that is 579, so there that time compiler will invoke this one, Okay, if you give some other value, suppose you are giving like that, okay, minus c. Okay, so we are giving some not summation, some different value. Okay, so a plus b minus c. So a plus b means, if you could see, here is 5 plus 7 means 12, minus 9 means 3. We should get 3, right? Let's see. And then we are also invoking add. So here there is no return type. Sorry, there is no argument. So this method, okay. Here also there is no argument. So this message should get printed, okay. So let's run it. Let's see the result. So now if you could see, sum of two integer, it is showing 12. Now this is 3 and this is void add method. This message is get printed, okay. So if you invoke this will get invoked and this message. So this is this statement is not correct. This is correct, sum of two integer. This is we can mention like that, okay. Like that I'm just giving the formula, okay. Now let's see. So here if you get sum of two integer is 12, 5 plus 7. Here 5 plus 7 it is get summed up. So here it is 12 minus 9 means 3. 12 minus 3, 9. And this is the void message. Okay, void means add method. Okay, there is no argument. So this is void add method. Okay, so this is void add method. So like that we can achieve method overloading. Okay, so please practice it. A different type of question can be asked in Java interview. Okay, and different scenario will be given. So if you know the concept, if you have the clear idea on that how it is going to happen, then you will be able to answer it. So I would request each and everyone, please practice it. Okay, and if you haven't subscribed my channel till now, I would request each and everyone, please subscribe my channel. Okay, hit the bell button so you will get notification whenever I'm uploading a new video. Also like my video, also comment your thought on my videos. Okay, share with your friends and family, whoever is preparing for Java interview, okay, or automation testing interview. So that's all for today. Tomorrow again I will come with a new video. Okay. Thank you all. Have a nice day.